My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the browser notifications that are coming from the site News-jaheni.cc. So, News-jaheni.cc is a malicious and truly deceptive site which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on this allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are humans and not robots, but clicking on allow is dangerous. This will hijack the browser with multiple advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of the screen. To deactivate these ads, go to the menu, Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this News-jaheni.cc, remove it from the list, and also remove other junk and deceptive sites which could be causing such troubles. So make sure you get rid of all of them. After you have done that, the problem should be fixed. However, I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.